Good evening, everyone. Please just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not. Good evening. Please just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not. Then we'll start off with our question practice series. So today is the second class in our question practice series, okay, and today we'll be discussing few more previous year questions and some general aptitude questions as well, okay, and all these questions are taken up from the previous years itself of the CSIR examination. Please just confirm whether the audio and the presentation is visible to you on your screen or not. Yes, is it clear? Okay, perfect. Let's start off with our lecture now till the students will join in the time being. So before starting, if you haven't yet enrolled, if you haven't yet downloaded our application, so the application is available both for the Android and the iOS users. So you can download our application by the name of Botany Insider. The link is also given in the description box. In addition, we have started off with a crash course 2.0 in like today itself in the morning. Every single day we'll be having a live session in the morning. So if you're targeting June 2023 examination and you're struggling with structured preparation specifically, so this course would help you out. In addition, you'll be getting previous year pointers, hard copy in the same amount, and you can also use the installment options if you feel like for getting the enrollment. You can use installments as well. It would help you out, okay? So the course started today itself. You can still download the application and get yourself enrolled, and like every day you can prepare with us in this crash course. In addition, we have various other courses running. We have a full course running. Like if you wish to have a detailed course, we have a target 2023 course, and if you wish to revise, we have a crash course running. So whatever you feel like, you can enroll in that, and there are various other important contents available for your preparation, okay? So this is the very first question for you all. So the question is from the cell biology, that is unit number 2, and the question is which of the cyclins have an essential role in the S phase of cell cycle. So read the question carefully. There are 4 options for that. Option number 1 is A type, option B is B type, option C is D type, and the last one is both B and D type. Try to find the answer for this particular question and mark down the answers in the chat section. Then I'll give you a complete understanding of what cell cycle is, and we'll have a quick overview regarding the complete content, okay? Try to get the answer for this question now. It's a simple question. Try to get the answer, then we'll understand the complete mechanism. Get the answer for this question, everyone. You need to find out that which of these cyclins have an essential role in the S phase. So there are various phases in the complete cell cycle. You need to find out the correct answer. As and when you get the answer, please mark the answers in the chat section, everyone. D, okay. Others, please mark the answers. There are 7 students in the class. Try to, like, even if it's wrong, absolutely fine, but at least give it a try. Done everyone? Get the answer please. This is the question in front of you. We have 10 students in the class now. Everyone try to get the answer for this question. Then we'll solve it out together. Don't know. Okay, other students, we have 9 other students as well in the class. Mark the answers. Okay, that means students are not preparing properly. They are not able to get the answer for this question. Answer is option number A. It is asking about which of the cyclins is found in the S phase. So in the S phase we have A type of cyclin. Okay, let me give you a quick understanding regarding what is cell cycle, what are cyclins, etc, etc. Okay, so let's understand. See, what is cell cycle all about? Cell cycle simply means the series of events in which there are various series of events occur, and as a result there occurs cell division. Okay, so what are the various steps in it? So there are basically 2 main phases in the cell cycle. First one is the interphase and the second one is the M phase, which is also given the name of mitotic phase. In the S phase, in the interphase, we have G1, we have S and the G2 being there. G1 is the gap 1 phase. Then we have the synthesis phase, and the second one is the gap 2 phase, right? Then in the mitotic phase or in the M phase, we have 4 main cycles or 4 main processes. First one is the prophase. Then we have metaphase, then you have anaphase, and finally we have the telophase being there, right? So depending upon whether it is mitosis or whether it is meiosis, because the cell division is of 2 type. So cell division is of 2 type. We have mitosis and the second one is meiosis. In mitosis, all these steps would be similar, but in meiosis, we have in the metaphase, in the second phase of M phase. In mitosis, you have interphase and M phase in the similar manner. In meiosis, you have interphase, then you have meiosis 1, then you have meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 carries prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. In prophase 1, you have leptotene, zygotine, packitine, diplotin and dikinesis. And in the meiosis 2, you have prophase 1, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. Every single thing would be similar. The only difference occurs because the mitosis is equational division and the meiosis is reductional division. That means there occurs decrease in the number of the chromosomes at the end of the final meiosis stage. Reason for that is because meiosis occurs in the germ cells, or we can call them as gametes. So because gametes needs to fuse together, after a point they need to get fused with the female or the male part, and then it leads to the formation of a zygote, and then it need to maintain that ploidy level. So for that reason, the meiosis occurs in the gametes and mitosis occurs in the normal somatic cells, or we can also call them as autosomes. Now comes what is the role of these cyclins. So these cyclins, and we also have CDKs. CDK refers to what? CDK refers to the cyclin dependent kinases. All of these are required for the regulation of cell cycle. Reason for that is because in every stage, be it the gap 1, be it the S phase, in every stage of the cell cycle, there is requirement that the cell need to maintain all the steps need to be cross checked. All the steps needs to be cross verified whether everything is done in a proper manner or not. So for that you require cyclins and CDKs. In every phase of the cell cycle there are different cyclins and different CDKs that work apart. Let me give you a list of that as well. Just wait a second. Yeah, so you have various stages. You have the G1 phase, then transition from G1 to S, then you have S phase, then S to G2, and finally M to A, that is from metaphase to anaphase. So there are different CDKs, there are different cyclins that work apart. So what are the cyclins, what are the CDKs? In the G1 you have 4 and 6 cyclin, you have cyclin 2, CDK 2 in G1 to S, then you have 2, then you have 1 and 1. So these are numbers, that is CDK 4, it is one of the CDKs. CDK 6 is the name of a CDK, okay. Then in cyclins, in G1 phase you have D, then you have E, then you have A, then you have A, and then you have B. So the question was asking you about that which cyclin is found in the S phase. So you have answer as A type. So this is all, like this is a very brief introduction about what cyclins are, what complete cell cycle is all about, etc, etc. Is everything clear to everyone? Like I've tried to make it very simple. Just check whether it is clear to you or not. Take your time, understand this. If you have any doubts you can ask, and in the exam you might get a question, like somewhere in June or any other exam you might get a question that which of the CDK is there in the metaphase to anaphase transition, or any question could be asked from you. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Shubham, now is it clear to you? And Mayank, you marked the answer wrong. I hope it is clear to you now also. And other students, just check. If there's any doubt you can ask, otherwise we'll switch over to the next question. Okay, and this is the same way in how we like actually prepare in our main marathon, like the general aptitude classes or our crash courses and full courses. So you can download the application and get yourself enrolled if you wish to revise in this structured manner about each and every topic. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, let's move forward to the next question now. So this was the question 1. Now this is the second question for you all. The question is that you have the sodium potassium pump. It is one of the most important thing that we look into when we see the cell biology in specific. So the sodium potassium pump, it is a tetramer, right? It is having 2 alpha and 2 beta subunits. Clear? It is asking that on which side, whether it is onto the on the alpha side or onto the beta side, on which side do we have the sodium and the potassium binding sites present? Try to find the answer for this. You have 1 minute. Read the question and then get the answer for this, everyone. Try to find the answer for this question, everyone. Then I'll discuss this question. A, okay. Very good, Shalini. Others, please mark the answers, then we'll solve it out together. It's a question practice series, so you have to participate in the class because these are all important topics. Okay, let's solve it out together now. Okay, so the answer for this particular question is yes, option number 1. So when you look into the sodium potassium pump, so sorry, so when you look into the sodium potassium pump, in the sodium potassium pump you have alpha subunit and the beta subunit, right? So when you look into their main functionalities, alpha subunit is the one onto which every single thing would be performed. Beta is just helping in the structural stability. It is not performing any kind of binding help. It is not providing any other help. The only function that it performs is that it would help out in the structural stability. It would help out in the subsidiary functionalities. Okay, so it is the alpha subunit onto which we have our main binding site present, be it the sodium, be it the potassium. Okay, answer for this question is option number A. Okay, I hope this question is clear. Very good, Niharika and Shalini, you got the answers correct. Now this is a general aptitude question. Get the answer for this particular question now. The question is that if we plot the weight versus age, so we are plotting weight and the age of a child in a graph. It is asking, out of the 4 graphs given in front of you, which graph is not possible, like which of the graph is cannot be found in any case, no matter whatever is the age, no matter whatever is the any other aspect of that particular child. Okay, you need to find out which of the graphs could never be obtained. Okay, get the answer for this question, then we'll discuss it together. Everyone get the answer. Yes, everyone get the answer for this question quickly. It's a simple one. Graph is not clearly visible. Let me try to increase the size. Wait, let me try to increase the size if it's not visible. Shalini, is it visible now? Like I've increased the size. It might be more clear to you now. Okay, so let's try to find the answer for this. So the answer for this particular question is yes, option number 1. Why? Because see, if you observe carefully, on the x-axis you have the age given and on the y-axis you have the weight given. Okay, so if you extrapolate this, if you do it this way, so at the same age, let's say at this particular point the boy or the girl is 10 years of age. Okay, so now at one age or at one specific time, can a person have 2 weights, like on an exact point, on a simple point, can a person have 2 ages, 2 weights? This is next to impossible. So that is the reason why answer is option number A. If you observe all the other 3, they are all like none of them is getting overlapped onto each other, right? So that is the reason answer is option number A, because at one time at a specific age, like at 10 years of age, the person cannot have 2 weights. It would have either one, like it could either have, let's say this is 40 kg, this is 45 kg. So the person could either have 40 kg or 45. 40 and 45 is not possible. Okay, answer for this question is option number A. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Yes or no, just let me know in the chat section, please. Is it clear to everyone? And very good, Dharani and Mayank, you got the answers correct. Shalini, is it clear to you now? Like, is the graph visible to you now? Then we'll move forward to the next question. Okay, very good. So now this is again one of the statement wise question of cell biology. get the answer for this question. I have mismatched few questions for you all, and every day we'll be solving out questions from different units so that you can have a very good revision kind of thing. Okay. The question is, in contrast to the plant cells, the most distinctive feature of the cell division in the animal cell is. You need to find out that you have plant cells and animal cells. Okay, you need to find it what is the most distinctive features when we look into the cell division of plants and of animals. So, which of them is the most distinctive features? 4 options in front of you. First option is control of the cell cycle transition by the protein kinases. Second option is enzyme responsible for the DNA replication. Third is ubiquitin dependent pathway for the protein degradation, and last one is the pattern of the chromosome movement. Get the answer for this question, everyone. It's again a simple question. Get the answer. Previous year questions helps you out to understand, or they gives you a very good perspective regarding what topic is important and what topic is not important. So you can observe that cell division, cell cycle, this concept is very important, and it gets repeated time and again, and it requires a very structured revision. Okay, so if you are preparing for the June examination, you should start revising very nicely. And if you are finding in difficulty in revision, you can contact us. You can download the application and enroll in the crash course which started today only. Okay, it would help you out. Get the answers, everyone, quickly. D, very good. Other students also try to get the answers quickly, everyone. Then we'll understand this question. Very good, Dharni, Shalini, Mayank. We have 10 students in the class. Everyone try to find the answers. Okay, so let's get the answer for this question. So the answer for this particular question is yes, option number D, that is the pattern of the chromosome movement. See, if you could eliminate the options via the help of, elimination method, by odd one out, you can easily get the answer. See, control of the cell cycle by the protein kinases is common in both plants and animals, so this option is incorrect. Enzyme responsible, again incorrect, because that is not the most distinctive feature. Then ubiquitin pathway protein degradation, again no, because this is somewhat similar in both. If you get the odd one out as well, you can easily reach to the answer as option number D, that is the pattern of the chromosome movement. Okay, let's move on to the next question. This is the last question for you all. Try to find the answer for this particular question now. This is a general aptitude question. Question is, you have F2, then a blank, then D8, then C16, then we have B32, and finally A64. You need to find what will come, or what is the sequence and what will be the answer onto this blank space. I have kept marked it in a bold as well. You can easily understand this. There are 4 options. First is C4, then you have E4, then you have C2, then you have G16. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Everyone quickly mark the answers for this particular question, and make sure everyone that you are participating in these type of questions, because they would help you out to understand the concepts properly. Okay, and in exam these are all PYQs, and in exam we do get such simple questions as well. Okay, so make sure that you are practicing these questions. Yes, the answer is option number B itself. So if you observe carefully, you have F, then a blank, then D, C, B, A. So it means over here it would be E for sure. And if you just find E, then also you can easily eliminate the 3 options and easily mark the answer as E4. In addition, first you have 2, then a blank, then 8, 16, 32, 64. So we are doubling the number. So 2, then 4, then 8, right? So answer for this question is E4. Is it clear to everyone? Everyone gave the answer correct. Very good. One more question. Excellent. Everyone mark the answer for this question. Again a previous year question. You have these 4 structures given to you. It is asking what would be the next structure. Get the answer for this question as well. C. Okay. Other students mark the answers. Very good everyone. Excellent. Yes, answer is option number C. That is, if you like observe it very nicely, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, so it would be E. Okay, so this is the answer for this particular question. Easy question. Okay. Okay, but can we do it tomorrow because it's already time? So just remind me tomorrow. I'll make a complete slide for you, or you can WhatsApp me. I'll help you out over there because the marathon time is already over. So we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, it's already about to be 8:30. And in addition, students, are you interested in solving out these kind of questions every single day? Like, if you all will show interest, I'll make sure that every day we'll be having these PYQ sessions, these practice sessions. So just let me know, are these sessions going to help you out? If yes, we can have it every day, but for that you all have to join in the class every single day and participate as well. Today we had a very good number, so just let me know, would you like me to continue these sessions, these practice sessions on daily basis over here? Quickly. Okay, very good. So let's do one thing. Let's meet tomorrow now, same timing, 8 o'clock, and we'll be having few more questions discussed. Make sure everyone, each one of you is joining in. Make sure everyone is participating and revising properly, okay? And if you wish to revise with us in a structured manner, the way we discuss the cell cycle, in the same manner, we discuss every single topic in our crash course every single day. So it started today itself. If you wish to enroll, you can use the installment options as well, and you'll be getting the PYQ pointers hard copy at your doorstep in this course itself. Okay, so if you wish, you can download the application, and if you wish to have it like via the marathon, you can use the code marathon1 so that you can get extra 10% discount. So if you wish, any one of you wish to join in, let me know. Yes, mock tests are available, and they are available like every single day or every week. New mock tests are uploaded. They are all of CSIR level. You can contact me personally and get to know the complete details of the same. Okay, there's a WhatsApp number which you can text me on and get all the informations. In addition, you can download our application as well. Okay, you can use this WhatsApp number to text me, to contact me, and get yourself enrolled in the various courses that we have. Okay, thank you so much everyone. It was a very good session. In the same manner, every day join in with us and we'll be having various questions discussed. In addition, you can download the application as well, available both on the iOS and the Android. Okay, bye everyone, take care. And Shalini, you can WhatsApp me on this number, and all the other students, if you wish to have any query resolved, contact me there. We'll solve it out, and you can get extra discount via this marathon text. Okay, you can use marathon01 code for enrolling in any course, and you'll get extra 10% discount. Bye everyone.